It's several weeks since the president declared a lockdown in states with a high number of coronavirus cases, but compliance has not been total. Now, there have been reports of people going out and carrying about their normal activities, ignoring the dangers of a raging pandemic and efforts to curtail its spread. Joining me now on Skype from Ahmadu Bello Way, Ilorin, Kwara State, is TVC News Correspondent Ibrakim Alege. Ibrahim, good morning. It's good to have you join me. From behind you, I can see an empty street behind you. How are residents of Ilorin complying with the measures that are said to, advising everyone to stay at home?
Like you rightly said, Mike, this is the Ahmadu Bello Way, the seat of power in Kwara State. Of course, by my right-hand side is the government house. Of course, the sit-at-home has been in effect for more than 3 weeks now. Initially, we had partial lockdown, but now it's total lockdown. People have been complying, but on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, that people are allowed to go to the market and banks to carry out transactions. The people have not really been adhering to social distancing and personal distancing, protocol for them to be safe. Yesterday, I reported that people went out, despite the fact that the government said they should not go out with their vehicles, but people went out with their vehicles, no social distancing, no personal distancing. You are just going about their normal duties until in the afternoon. The exception is that people should go out between 8 a.m. and 12 noon on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. But people did not return home until around 2 p.m. Yesterday. So on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, the compliance level is always very, very low.
All right, now talk to us, because one of the complaints we have when we talk to people, and we've been asking people, some of the reports from people, it has to do with the issue of hunger, and they're saying they cannot cope with staying at home. But talk to us, what are the palliatives the government of Kwara State is giving or trying to ensure that residents of Kwara State enjoy?
Yes, the government has been rolling out palliatives. Different individuals have also been doing so, but the government is saying people should not do it on their own, but rather bring it to a center that is the one recognized by the government, so that there will be proper coordination. Of course, government cannot feed everybody. As the governor said, if the government of Kwara State would have to give each household a 50 bag of rice, then that means the state government will spend 60 billion naira to feed them. So it cannot be adequate. A lot of people have been crying because they are unable to fend for their families, especially those who go out on a daily basis to earn their living, particularly motorcycle riders, taxi drivers, commercial public transporters. But the state government is also coming up with a plan for them, that is to give them 10,000 naira loan, each of them, which they will repay back subsequently after we are done with COVID-19. But of course, there's been a lot of complaints from people. Of course, so many videos are flying around that people struggling to get food. That was a particular one that the attention of the governor was called to, where people were saying what they were given is just like 3 tins of rice. But the government is saying the palliative has some particular targets. For instance, widows, those who fend for their family but are unable to go out, the physically challenged, the aged. These are the primary targets of the state government. So the secondary are those transporters that the government is planning to give them 10,000 naira each. Okay. But their own is going to be low, which they're going to pay some consequence. But of course, it's not enough.
All right. Ibrahim, thank you very much for bringing us up to speed with what's going on in Ilorin, Kwara State. Thank you.